Assalamu alaikum. Today we will have to study about the Google Earth Pro. This is a very good tool to preliminary survey, to visual inspection of the relevant site, to making different projects and getting features of different locations. So first introduction video we have discussed about Google Earth, and now uh, we need to know about his uh, uses, how we can use Google Earth. So let's discuss with the some interface of the Google Earth. So file, from here you can check the file location. So this will be file. You can save in the different file types. So if I click here, and you can save in image and others. First I need to make one project. Let's suppose I search is Comela or Dasu. You can search from this bar. Now I locate Dasu in my uh, Google Earth application through this search. So this is imaginary. You need to internet connection to uh, view your location and for the projects. So this is Dasu. Let's suppose this one location from Dasu main bazaar. So I make one project here in this area, like road projects, canal projects, whatever in the upcoming videos. So from here you can use this menu bar, here view, here toolbar, sidebar. Sidebar is totally this one at the side. Okay, so you can use here show, check it, and view. This is toolbar. This is very important. We will discuss this one by one, these tools. uh, so this is add placement mark. When you are making one project, so first you need to locate your destination points. So this is add placement mark, where some restaurant, where some picnic place, where some hotels, whatever. So you can place by using this one. Let's suppose I check it and I use, let's suppose uh, I can say it school. It is up to you. You are using school or this one. You can change this this icon through this connection. So I make here school. School. You choose one. This one. I select this one and I say okay. And say okay. This becomes school here. This school here. And this school already here in this sidebar. So you can right click and properties, then you can shift this position. Okay, easily you can shift this position and put here. Let's suppose this is actually college, but I call it school here, school. Okay, you can change the colors, label colors like this. I change this one, this school color, and this icon color you can change, make it this one, this color, and okay. Now you both school, your text and icon color already changed. So this is, you already fix one point. Now you want to fix another point is here, this area, because this is your main road connection. So I just click and I say beginning of point VOP, same. Okay, now I cannot shift like this. Okay, this will move this whole. So I can just go properties and shift this point, or this point, whatever. I put this one here, and this also a road, the same road. Okay, so these two roads. Today we have learned about how to locate the points and from the purpose of the points, purpose mainly to identify your location destination points. So we have already discussed this one. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to draw the line diagram and how we can use and measure the distance between 2 points, and how can we check the profile of that area, whether the area is steep or whether the area is mild, whether we can make a project like water supply, whether we can make a project like roads. Now we will discuss about roads. So for today, thank you very much for watching this video.